Did you know your home is teeming with invisible life, even on surfaces you just cleaned? Hello, explorers. Today we're peeling back the layers of everyday life to uncover a hidden world that's been living with you all along. This isn't science fiction, it's science fact. Your home is alive, with an ecosystem of microorganisms that shape your environment and even your health. We call it the microbiome, and every home has one. A microbiome is a vast community of bacteria, fungi, viruses, and other microscopic organisms that live in, on, and around us. Most people have heard of the gut microbiome, which helps with digestion and immune regulation. But what many don't realize is that our homes also have microbiomes, and they're just as complex. This microbial community is everywhere. On your kitchen counters, your shower curtain, your computer keyboard, your couch cushions, and yes, even your freshly washed sheets. Where does all of it come from? The answer is surprisingly simple. You, your pets, your visitors, your shoes, your groceries. Every time someone or something enters your home, they bring their own microscopic hitchhikers. These microbes don't just settle on the floor and disappear. They mingle, they spread, they take root. Your home becomes a living map of everything you touch, carry, and inhale. Some spots in your house are microbial hotspots. Think about your kitchen sponge. It may be one of the most bacteria-rich objects you touch daily. Add bathroom faucets, light switches, door handles, and remote controls, and you realize you're constantly in contact with a dynamic, invisible ecosystem. But here's the catch. Not all of these microbes are dangerous. Many are neutral, some are even essential. Scientists have discovered that being surrounded by a variety of microbes is actually good for your health. These invisible life forms help train your immune system, teaching it what to fight and what to tolerate. They can crowd out harmful pathogens and help your body maintain balance. But when we go too far with antibacterial sprays and over-sanitization, we may be killing off the good microbes right along with the bad. It turns out there is such a thing as being too clean. Living in an environment that is too sterile may deprive your immune system of the exposure it needs to develop properly. This is especially important for children. Studies now suggest that growing up in extremely sanitized conditions might increase the risk of allergies, asthma, and autoimmune conditions later in life. Our relationship with microbes is not just about protection, it's about education. And here's something truly remarkable. When someone moves into a new home, their microbiome starts spreading throughout the space almost immediately. Within just 24 hours, the bacteria from their skin, breath, and belongings begin to colonize surfaces. Within a few days, the home starts to reflect the unique microbial fingerprint of its new occupants. We're not just living in our homes, we're biologically imprinting them. This emerging understanding is reshaping how we think about architecture and design. Scientists and architects are now working together to build environments that support healthier indoor microbiomes. This includes using natural materials, maximizing airflow, incorporating sunlight, and even designing ventilation systems that encourage microbial diversity rather than eliminating it. Think about that. The future of housing may not only be smart, it may be symbiotic. We could one day live in homes that support us at the biological level. Structures that work with our bodies, not just for comfort and safety, but to strengthen our immune systems and mental health. Imagine paint infused with beneficial microbes, fabrics that promote microbial diversity, filters that seed the air with healthy bacteria. It's not far-fetched, it's already being tested. So what does this mean for how we live today? It means we may need to rethink what clean actually means. Not sterile, not lifeless, but balanced. It means paying attention to the hidden layers of our environment, not with fear, but with curiosity and respect. Microbes aren't just something to kill, they're something to understand. So next time you wipe a surface, sit on the couch, or open a window, remember, there's an entire world living with you. You're not alone. You're part of an ongoing biological conversation that happens at the microbial level, and it's shaping your health whether you notice it or not. Are these microbes guests in your home, or are you a guest in theirs? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Like this video if it changed how you see your space. And subscribe for more surprising truths, only here on Next Gen Science. Let's keep exploring together.